You have someone who's an expert in their field, sharing something they're passionate about with your students, so there's no teachers who are fearful of doing something in that area. It's taken over by someone who is very educated and can answer questions and makes those connections to the real world, which is wonderful. Titration tubes, which elementary school would never have access to. They get hands-on materials. That would be something that we wouldn't normally be able to do in our classroom, but has a lot of value. And linking to the curriculum very tightly, kind of the whole package, the materials, a leader, and everything you need to have a successful lesson.